ChatGPT is absolutely insane, but what if I told you that there is a supercharged version of the AI chatbot? Toran Bruce Richards, the founder of the video game company Significant Gravitas Ltd, released his own version of ChatGPT, called AutoGPT, which is like OpenAI's version but with rocket boosters. AutoGPT launched just a few months ago, but it has taken the industry by storm, breaking boundaries we never thought possible. If you're a fan of AI chatbots, then you should buckle up because I'm going to show you something that'll blow your mind. So sit back and watch till the end. The first thing I'm going to talk about is how AutoGPT works. Now, in ChatGPT, when you input a prompt, the chatbot gives you a response. But in order for it to perform another action, you need to prompt it again. But with AutoGPT, things are different. All you need to do is type in your first prompt, and the chatbot continues to prompt itself, creating a loop until it gives you your desired result. So you don't have to do anything else, it'll do everything by itself. Now I'm going to show you some mind-blowing applications of AutoGPT, and you can even try them out yourself to see how they work. Here, a user gave AutoGPT a task, and the objective was clear. Create a website using React and make a form. Add a header made with AutoGPT, then change the background to blue. Now, one really cool thing about this chatbot is that you can see the kinds of prompts it is giving itself and how it is working through the task. From how this works, there will be no more need for human intervention, which means that you now have AI agents which can work on your behalf, cutting down around 80% of your entire workload. This actually begs the question, is prompt engineering going to die, or are we going to see the rise of AI agents? Here's another example, and this one has a much better interface. This is called Agents GPT, and here another user is creating something called Hustle GPT. The goal here is to create a startup with only $100 of funding and make it successful. So as you can see, the chatbot outlines every plan for the user. The AI is able to conduct research on the internet, calculate and make decisions by itself, and even come up with solutions to problems that you didn't even know you had. The next thing we're going to be looking at is Gold GPT. Gold GPT is quite the same as Agent GPT, though with some slight differences. All you need to do is enter your prompt, and it'll give you some real-life examples of real-life strategies based on your task. There are many things you can do with Gold GPT. All you need to do is first input your task in the first bar, then add your API key in the second bar. So here, I'll ask the chatbot to create a script on neuromorphic computing and AI for a YouTube video. Then I'll just click deploy and then wait to see what it does. As you can see, we instantly get an outline of topics that we can use in the video. Research relevant content for each topic, including images and short videos, then draft a script for the video, incorporating all relevant information. So it created an outline for the video, and then it says finally, describe some efforts to accelerate innovation in the field, including some special programs and developing some new technology. So after about 2 minutes of running, the AI bot has come up with some pretty exciting stuff. It actually gave a lot of information that I wasn't expecting. It showed some real-life examples, such as in the University of Manchester, they're using neuromorphic computing to model brain activities. Now, if you don't know what this is, neuromorphic computing is simply where they're trying to design chips that replicate how our brain works. These chips that they are using are 100 times more powerful than the computer chips we have available. So all of this is really mind-blowing. Also, if you look right here, it's researching the relevant content and then drafting a script incorporating all the relevant information. Then it's providing real-life examples, and it's also organizing the outline so it's easy for viewers to understand. It is really impressive that these guys managed to achieve something like this with their chatbot. And one really cool thing here is that when installed on your computer, you can actually use the AI to run programs for you. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you really caught my attention when I first saw it, and it really speaks volumes of the endless possibilities we can achieve with AI. This tool will completely revolutionize the way people research papers and how they write too. So a Twitter user actually posted a video about this bot, though it hasn't actually been released yet. The bot is specifically trained to research and write papers. As you can see here, it says, write an article on the recent Starship launch on the 23rd of April and its implications for space travel. The unique thing about this AI bot is that it can actually access the internet, and this is not quite common with AI chatbots. The AI bot was actually able to get information about the Starship launch from a recent article on the internet. And here, the bot is able to quote this article just like a writer would. The AI is very effective and it does a really good job at writing. So if you're trying to generate scripts for your blog or something else, you can quickly make use of it. And also, I think news websites are really going to be making use of this tool because it can even quote the sources it gets information from. Everyone knows that one of the biggest challenges facing AI is the integrity of the information it gives. Not everyone trusts chatbots because they sometimes give false information, but a chatbot that can actually quote exactly where it got its information from would be a total game changer. And the fact that it can actually get information from the internet in real time is also very impressive. GPT-4 actually has the ability to do this, but you need to install plugins first, and not everyone knows how to do this. So this will be an easier alternative for most people. Microsoft is also creating something that is similar to AutoGPT called Jarvis. Now all you're seeing here is Microsoft's Jarvis, and here it says task planning, model selection, task execution, and response generation. Some people could actually argue that this is essentially like AutoGPT, but I'm wondering if Microsoft is going to refine this process and then release it on their computers, so that it'll be like an AI assistant that'll be able to carry out any task on your computer. If Microsoft does this, it'll be miles ahead of Google in terms of AI advancement. We all know that Microsoft has been a huge threat to Google ever since they partnered up with OpenAI. Their search engine Bing gained millions of users after they added their chatbot to it. But if they can pull this off, there are chances that they can actually beat Google. Although I don't think this would be easy because Google has some very ambitious plans of its own. Only time will tell who will win the AI race. Now here's one question I'd like to ask you. Do you think Microsoft will beat Google? Or can Google regain its footing in the race for AI supremacy? It's absolutely crazy what people are building with OpenAI's GPT technology. Just look at AutoGPT and similar AI chatbots. These tools will totally revolutionize the way we access information on the internet. Not just that, AI will completely transform numerous industries, automating almost every process. AutoGPT is just a glimpse of the power future AI models will have. And based on the efficiency of these AI bots, I think we'll soon be living in a world where AI does most of the tasks humans currently do. This will actually lead to many job losses, something many people are afraid of. These tools keep getting better and better at everything, and honestly, I can't even keep up with how fast this technology is advancing anymore. There's actually no need to get scared yet because they're not that good yet. But one day, there will be. Let's just hope they don't decide to take over humanity in the future. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to get the latest developments in AI. Also, will you try out AutoGPT? If you do, don't forget to share your experience in the comments below.